Hello YouTube, I'm going to teach you and show you how to start a Bosch dishwasher. Now my dishwasher can get the chunks off, little chunks. That's because I love this dishwasher. So, what you gotta do is you gotta hit this power button. And when you hit it, it lights up. See? The timer lights up. You select your cycle. You can select whatever you want. It doesn't really matter, you guys. So you want to go ahead and choose your cycle. I'm going to select auto. Then you have to go to your options thing. Your options buttons. Okay, you're gonna want to press this auto air button. You always have to hit that auto air button because you want this dishwasher to pop open, right? Alright, then you're gonna go ahead and hit this auto air button, and you see it adds more time. Now if you want to, well, if you're really sick, you can always push that sanitize button. And I don't really push sanitize all the time. So now that you've put in a pad, you want to insert your pad. Once it's in, go ahead and push the start button. Once it's started, you close it. Now this red light, see the red light, you guys? That makes you look at the time, okay? So that's all.